Don't know how to trade this market? Struggling to choose the right bot settings? You're not alone. Every trader hits this wall when they try to launch their first bot. Which coin should I select? How many averaging orders are needed? What level of risk is too much? But now you don't have to figure it out on your own. In this video, we'll show you how to create a complete trading strategy with AI in just a few minutes, using the new 3 commas AI assistant. Before we start typing, there's one important thing to understand. The quality of your strategy depends a lot on how you describe it to the AI assistant. You don't have to be a pro trader, but the more clearly you explain your needs, the better bot the assistant can build for you. When you write your prompt, try to include a few key details in one clear message. For example, start with the exchange, pair, and time frame you want to trade. Then mention the indicator you'd like to use, like RSI on the 15-minute chart. Add how much capital you want to allocate, your base order size, and how many averaging orders you want, along with their size. Finally, describe your take profit and whether you want a stop loss or prefer the assistant to suggest risk controls and run a backtest for you. The clearer you are, the better strategy the AI assistant can build for you. This time, we asked AI assistant to develop a strategy using the RSI indicator on a 15-minute time frame without a stop loss. Let's check and see the results. If you're unsure where to start, just ask the assistant to help build a profitable bot. An AI assistant will ask you additional questions so you can build your strategy step by step with its guidance. As you can see, the AI assistant has put together a complete set of bot settings based on our request and recommends that we run a backtest. Let's do that now and review the results before we actually start the bot. The great thing is that the AI assistant can run the backtest right here within the chat. You don't need to leave this screen or open any extra tools. Just describe your idea, and the assistant tests the strategy with the chosen settings and displays the full backtest results directly in the conversation. If you're happy with these results and ready to put the strategy to work, you can start the bot directly from this chat using the Run Strategy button. If you want to review or fine-tune anything, you can also open the full bot settings from this card in a new tab. So your conversation with the AI assistant stays open, and you can keep improving the strategy whenever you like. Whenever you want to make changes, you can always come back to your chat with the AI assistant and use it as a partner to refine your strategy. For example, let's tell the assistant that we want to improve this bot's performance. Instead of using only simple percentage spacing for our averaging orders, we'll add conditions similar to our entry rules and see how that affects the backtest results. This way, we keep talking to the AI assistant and iterating on the strategy, improving the results step by step until we're truly satisfied with the performance. As we can see, the results have actually improved, and if needed, you can always review the historical trades in more detail again. Let's chat with our AI assistant a bit more and ask it to reinvest all the bot's profit back into this strategy, and then see how the results change. As we can see, the results have improved even more, which is quite impressive. Continue talking with the AI assistant and keep developing your strategy step by step, refining it with each iteration. Start developing your own trading strategies with the help of the AI assistant. Try now